So look, it's simple, right? I just ran a live stream on Facebook, but I'm gonna run a Memorex too. I'm Anthony Ford. I'm with Kong Armor, the world's toughest deck armor. And what you're looking at is a deck system here in Hebron, Kentucky that was inundated, and I mean inundated, with a nasty, vile deck rescue coating that we call Peeling Restore 10X. It leaves decks, when it peels, it leaves decks looking horrible. We call it ugly deck syndrome. We call it deck leprosy. I'm going to insert some pictures in right here in this video where you can see what this nasty mess look like with this Peeling Restore 10X on it. Check it out. All right, so you guys got an idea of what my customers here were dealing with, right? They were facing down a replacement, okay? In reality, that's what they were facing down. I want to tell you that we have a coating system called Kong Armor that's able to come in and absolutely encapsulate and lock down peeling coating systems. Yes, even Restore 10X. Loose and frayed wood. It has splinter lock technology. It can just engulf your deck system and resurface it and bring it back to life. This color is called Mallard Duck. It's a custom Kong Armor color. It's very, very beautiful. Let me tell you, I know the sun's shining on this and it's taken away from its beauty because it's leaving shadows everywhere, but I assure you this is stunningly gorgeous if you come out here in the morning right now. Darn shadows, they always get me, right? But what I want you to know is, since we're experienced with removing peeling coatings and peeling deck paints, and this is what we do. I mean, project after project after project. We're a little bit more efficient at removing the stuff that's loose and that we can get up than most people. And it's a miracle, but we managed to get 80 or 90% of this nasty stuff that was peeling up off their floor. And what you see here is just straight encapsulation. Anything that was left, any of it that was left, we encapsulated. We didn't get quite as much off of their rail systems, but I'll kind of show you. This is what Restore 10X looks like. It's a lava rock sort of type film, and this is some of it that we were unable to get off of the floor. And you can see there's never going to be, Kong is super thick, and I'm talking, it's a massively thick coating system. You can bring in the world's thickest coating system, and Restore 10X is right up there with it. So you're never going to lose. Unlike with some peeling deck paints, you can lose that look. With this one, you won't. But that's why it was such a great, massive celebration when we got 80 to 90% of it off of this deck floor, right? So we got that off. We got the rest of everything in caps from where they were. Right? This is what I'm making this video to tell you, to celebrate. You guys should celebrate that. If you're in this situation, you don't have to do deck replacement. Kong can bring your deck back to life. We've done it over 1,500 times. Look. Right? Look how beautiful this Mallard Duck is. It's gorgeous. And then on top of that, here's the steps real quick. Look how beautiful. This is a beautiful system. I mean, from where they were to where they are now, it's stunning. Now, think about this for a second. These people, they could have done like 20 grand replacement, which would have been an awful financial blow. With us, they saved darn near most of that, probably 80% of it. They didn't have to spend it, you know? And they get under our lifetime warranty and our lifetime service promise. We're the only deck coating system in the world that is backed locally by its own company, meaning if you ever need help with Kong, we'll either warranty it or we'll repair it under your service promise, which is super, super affordable. I mean, to move from that to a lifetime deck armor system and keep the majority of your money that you were going to have to spend, what a deal. What a deal. I'm going to tell you what. Let me pop my shoes on here. I want to show you the outside of this real quick, and then I'm going to let you go. But this is the outside. Look. Beautiful mallard duct system. They were going to have to rip this all down and replace it. Can you imagine? Can you imagine the cost when all of this wood is still good? It's still got decades of life, and they were going to have to replace that because of that nasty coating system. Look how beautiful this is. And again, the shadows are taken away from it right now. If we didn't have sun shadows, you guys would be blown away. You guys would be like, wow, that's a gorgeous deck, right? Everywhere, this deck system has been encapsulated, locked down for life. If they ever have problems, they can call the Kong company. We'll offer them warranty. We'll repair, or what we call regenerate, our coating system for life. We'll also help them with stuff like annual cleanings. A lot of our lifetime deck armor system owners, if they need little helps with stuff like, hey, we need a board switched out or something like that, because we love our customers so much, we do that, right? Get with a deck restoration painting company that will stay with you for life and back their product, back their labor, back their coating system, stand for something, and that saves you money in the beginning and throughout the life of ownership. Switch to Lifetime Deck Armor now. Go to kongarmor.com. Sign up for a free quote. See you.